Hello, we recently had the honor of having the Mingda corporate people visit us from China. We were using that to strengthen our relationship with them. Many of you had put in the comments asking if we were sponsored by Mingda, and we are not. We are actually their major U.S. distributor for their printers as well as their industrial printers, and we sell a lot of their parts. So we had an opportunity just to show them around the shop, show them some of the displays that we have, some of the printers, the filament that we make here in our shop. We offer PLA, ABS, PETG, carbon fiber. We also have a line of filament dryers, and we are the major U.S. distributor for their industrial printers. Here's one of our displays. Together, we got to look at the 600D, their newest industrial printer. One of the things that they did while they were here, they brought one of their technicians and trained us. So that enables us to be able to send out our technicians to your location if you have any issues. We recently received a huge shipment of Mingda printers, so we have plenty of inventory to support your needs. Not only are we stocking the full printers, but we also have a full line of parts, and we're getting more and more of those in. You kind of see here in the background, we actually manufacture garages for robotic mowers. We showed them our filament making machine. One of the things we've recently done, we enclosed an area in our warehouse and started developing our print farm. We are getting a lot of demand for 3D printed parts, especially from our industrial manufacturers in the area. So we needed a dedicated area that we could easily control the climate on and build parts. At GL Robotics, we provide not only the 3D printing, but we will do prototyping, industrial design. We are versed in CAD software, and so if you have a project that you would like for us to help you develop, we can do that. You just reach out to us, info@glroboticsusa.com. We had the privilege of the CEO of Mingda visiting our location. It just shows their commitment to our business and ours to theirs. Really appreciate Mingda taking the time to visit us. It just strengthens our relationship with them and enables us to offer better support for you, the consumer, based here in the U.S. But if you have any questions about our line of printers, please reach out to us at glroboticsusa.com.